This is the weather forecast video for Thursday, August the 18th, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see some cloudiness over the plain states into the desert southwest, a low pressure system located over northern Ontario bringing a northwesterly flow aloft across the Midwest, and that'll be the direction the thunderstorms will be coming from. Here's the watch warning map from around 1 o'clock in the morning. Fairly quiet, only a high wind advisory in Montana. Here's the severe weather outlook for today and tonight. A slight risk of severe weather extends from most of Minnesota through western half of Iowa, northern Missouri, into northeastern Kansas, eastern Nebraska, and most of the eastern half of South Dakota. Here's the tornado outlook for today and tonight, with a 5% chance of a tornado across the Siouxland westward into South Dakota and northern Nebraska, with a 2% chance surrounding that. Here's the damaging wind outlook for today and tonight. A 30% chance from southeastern South Dakota through the Les Hills and the Missouri River Valley area into northwestern Missouri and extreme northeastern Kansas. Here's the large hail outlook for today and tonight. The standard 15% risk given in all or most slight risk areas, with the hatched area where large hail over 2 inches in diameter could be possible over South Dakota and northern Nebraska. Here's the QBF chart. Precipitation over the next 5 days through Monday evening at 7 o'clock shows precipitation amounts between a ½ inch over the far north and northeast to maybe 2 inches over far southern and southwestern Iowa. Here's the 0Z GFS model run at 1 p.m. today. You can see that northwesterly flow aloft with the main storm track near the U.S.-Canadian border, and with that, model doesn't show a lot of thunderstorm development, although this is early in the afternoon. Most of the development will occur later in the afternoon and into the evening and overnight hours. Friday, model shows the showers and thunderstorms likely across the state. Could be a morning event and maybe an afternoon event again over the eastern counties before it moves off to the east. Saturday, model shows possibly a shower or storm over the western part of the area, with another storm system moving in. And Sunday, there could be a slight chance of a shower or storm, otherwise partly to mostly sunny skies with highs in the upper 70s to lower 80s. Monday, the storm system moves off to the east. Cooler, drier conditions move in. Highs in the upper 70s to low 80s with decreasing humidities. We head off into Tuesday, another quick moving storm system with the low way up in Hudson Bay could bring a slight chance, 20 to 30% crack at a thunderstorm. Wednesday, we could see some early morning showers and storms, especially over the east. Otherwise, decreasing clouds with some sunshine late in the day from west to east. A week from today, the 25th, a ridge beginning to develop over the desert southwest, bit of a trough over the central part of the country, and a possible tropical system north of Cuba. And the Gulf could be open. There could be some moisture moving in with maybe a crack at a shower or storm. Otherwise, the main weather feature will be that tropical system. We head off further into Voodoo, August the 29th. Decent vortex over Montana and North Dakota digging in with a bit of another trough over the northeast. With that, we can see a storm system near the U.S.-Canadian border, with maybe a shower or storm entering the western part of the state. Otherwise, an extratropical system over New England. At the end of the forecast, on September the 2nd, looks like there's another vortex in about the same place as the one we just saw, with a ridge over the southern part of the country. With that, another storm system over Manitoba and Saskatchewan, with possibly some moisture coming up from the Gulf of Mexico, so a shower or storm is possible as we move into early September. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.